It's April in the desert and the passion fruit's waking up. Check it out. I got flowers opening up. This vine over here actually has more. This is a smaller vine. Seems to have more flowers. I love these things. They're so pretty and weird. That round part right there, just underneath those, right here, that round thing is what turns into the passion fruit. That one right here. Over here. And I've noticed these things form two different types of buds. So if you're growing passion fruit and you have any issues, the ones that are going to turn into actual flowers look like this. But there's also these weird like mini flowers that just fail and they don't actually turn into anything. They look kind of like this, except they never grow a centerpiece. They never fully develop into a flower. That one's going to develop. Another bud. Another bud. Oh, here we go. This one right here, see how the inside doesn't really have that developed flower bud? That's what they look like if they never turned into a passion flower. Last year, I got tons of these ones and I only got like 2 or 3 flowers. This year, I just had tons of these buds right about to open. There's one, look really close. And then of course, these are all just opened yesterday. Another one down here. And back there's another one. So there's like 3 just in this field of view. Another one right here. One opening. This is what they look like as they open. So they're probably going to be open here in the next hour. And another one right here. I wish I had a time-lapse camera. I could probably mount it right here and you could just watch that thing slowly open. Yeah, I love how pretty these are. And this is Passiflora edulis. Edible passion flowers, basically what it comes out to. 2 more buds right here. Another big giant bud right here. It's right about to open. We get a ton of passion fruits on this guy. These flowers are pretty too. I just noticed these. The blackberries are covered with flowers. Like a purplish flower. Anyway. Tons of passion flowers. Passion fruit flowers. And in case you don't know, when people say passion fruit, they're typically talking about Passiflora edulis, this one. Just because the fruits are so widely used in tropical juices and things like that. But a lot of the passion flowers have edible fruit. And when I say edible, like enjoyable to eat, I think most of them are actually pretty good because I love sour things. So to me, they're all amazing. This one probably tastes close to the best. And a lot of these I grew from seed, so they're not necessarily a known cultivar. So if you're gonna ask me which type Passiflora edulis is it, I have no idea. I just like taking seeds and planting them. So it's not gonna be exactly the same as, you know, the mainstream passion fruit varieties. But I think they're all amazing. And even like maypop, common varieties in colder areas, those fruits are good as well. I was talking to my daughter the other day and she was telling me all about some of the medicinal qualities of passion flowers. Very pretty. And the name is said to have come from the crown of thorns that the Savior wore. Because they say that the shape of the flower reminded them of a crown of thorns. I don't know. Definitely a pretty flower. I don't know if it reminds me of a crown. It's almost like an alien flower or something.